What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights to the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm, and do not forget to subscribe, y'all. Take a look at this, man. I gotta say a big congratulations to the SHIB army. Y'all, we are making our way. Yes, it's gonna take some time. Yes, you have to be patient. You gotta know hodl is the motto. The game is to hold, not fold. You got to be 10 toes down and ready for whatever the market throws at us. Any volatility, any, okie dokes, any juke moves trying to get people to, jump out of their positions. They want to scare you when the price is high, so you sell and the price drops lower so they can buy it up cheap. We see a lot of movement taking place in different markets, and my speculation is that we're going to see a lot of money coming that is traditionally reserved for the stock market start to flow into crypto. So I'm excited about that. We got Bitcoin regulation, y'all, which is making it where it's acceptable or okay for institutional money to start flowing into cryptocurrencies. So take a look at this, y'all. Congratulations to everyone on Shibarium. 400 million transactions, y'all. 400 million transactions. Now, this is just in the first, I don't even think Shibarium has been out 6 months just yet. So, imagine in a year's time, as we get that exponential increase and we continue to gain more and more adoption, as Shiba Inu starts to, awaken, even more, and more people get excited about it and start to look at the rest of the ecosystem. Now, a lot of people ask me that are new or either been around for a while, some of both, that have asked me, what's the point of Shibarium? They basically say, the people who have voiced this to me, they say they don't see the point of it, doesn't help SHIB. But what y'all have to remember is, yes, Bone is the gas token of Shibarium. But at the same time, it helps Shiba Inu by, once a certain amount of bone is accumulated, there's burns that are initiated in Shiba Inu. So the bone is converted into SHIB and burnt. So that's how Shibarium helps. The more transactions that take place on Shibarium, the more Shiba Inu burning we get. If you are someone who ever says you want SHIB to be at a high price target, we're talking 1 cent or even more, we're even half of a cent, we're gonna need to drastically burn a lot of the supply. We're gonna really have to get that supply down. You have to understand something. This is what I see a lot of people not getting. So 1.3 million wallet addresses, so still very early for this. Now, this is something I want y'all to pay attention to. So if you're one of those people that wonder, how much would you have? How much is this worth? Okay, leash on a nice pullback. Leash down 20% right now, just about 19.53%. So yeah, that's a nice little discount, especially seeing what it just did. So right now we got Bitcoin at $65,857. Now take a look at its market cap. Bitcoin's entire market cap is 1.2 trillion. So that's Bitcoin's market cap. The closest player to it is Ethereum, $454 billion market cap. I want y'all to start, not just thinking in terms of market cap, but taking market cap into account. So we see the highest crypto, OG crypto, at a $1.2 trillion market cap. It's unlikely that any of these other coins, pass it. I'm not saying Bitcoin can't be passed in the future, but what I'm saying is unlikely for, some meme coin to just pass Bitcoin's market cap. We got to be realistic about it. It's unlikely for a meme coin to surpass Ethereum's market cap. Now, in the distant future, or in time, yes, it can happen. Don't get me wrong. It's very much possible, but it's not going to be easy. It would have to have a lot of utility to it to make, to get to the levels of Bitcoin, Ethereum. Look at even USDT. USDT is at a $100 billion market cap. But think about the value it adds to the market, acting as the #1 stable coin. It gets that much, it has that much utility to it that when people want to cash out their gains, especially from Ethereum side tokens, they usually get USDT, if they want to hold it in the stable coin. If they're waiting to buy the dip, they'll get it in, USDT so it stays stable. That way they're not affected by the volatility, and then wait to buy back in on some of their favorite assets. So USDT providing a utility like that to the space is at a $100 billion market cap. BNB, $64 billion market cap. Solana, $61 billion. XRP, $33 billion. So we see it drops off by basically half from the 5th to 6th position. And then we got Shiba Inu at a $18 billion market cap. But let's just say a $20 billion market cap. We just seen it there like yesterday. We have to determine, by a multiplier, how high do we think Shiba Inu's market cap can go? And if you want Shiba Inu, like for those that say Shiba Inu to $1, you have to remember we have 589 trillion coins in circulation. If those coins were to reach $1, we would need Shiba Inu's market cap to be at $589 trillion. So basically 589 times what Bitcoin's market cap is about. And there's only about $40 trillion in actual cash floating in the world. There's more when it comes to assets and, counting in, like investments and things like that. But as far as like cash, there's about $40 trillion in the world. So you have to take that into account. Until there's more money in the world, until there's more rate of adoption, we're pretty much working with that amount of market cap of money in the world, 40 trillion. How much of that do we think can come into crypto? Let's say even 25% of that is 10 trillion. Of that 10 trillion, how much of that market share will Bitcoin claim? How much will Ethereum claim? And let's say these percentages will be the same as they move up. Yeah, that will put things at, higher prices, but it won't put Shiba Inu at $1, or even 1 cent with that $589 trillion market cap. This is why I say it's so important that we burn the supply down. We have to get less tokens. If y'all don't know, market cap is calculated by the price times the amount of tokens that are in circulation. So you take the amount of tokens that exist and you multiply it by the current price, and that gives you the market cap. So Shiba Inu, if we got a 10x from where it's sitting at right now, we would be around $180 billion market cap, which will put us at a number 3 spot. We will be in between Ethereum at number 2 and USDT at number 3. So we would take that 3rd spot. USDT at $100 billion market cap, Ethereum at a $455 billion. Now, it's possible. Anything is possible. It will not be easy. We have to see something absolutely crazy take place, because remember, as SHIB starts to climb, a lot of these other assets will climb as well. It's not going to just be SHIB. So, at a point in time, can we see SHIB 10xing from here? I absolutely believe that's possible, but it's going to take some time, and you got to understand the rest of the market will be moving also. So keep that in mind. If whatever your price target is, determine what the market cap would have to be at that level. So if you're saying $1, 589 trillion. If you're saying 1 cent, I think it's around 5.8 trillion. So let's say if we got 25% of the world's money supply in crypto, which is around 10 trillion, and none of this is financial advice, so I got to keep that in mind, but around 10 trillion, do we think 5 trillion or 50% of that, basically more than 50%, is going to go directly into Shiba Inu? I don't think that's, realistic. Now, if we get the supply down, then it will be a lot easier to reach those levels, because we won't have to hit such a high market cap in order to hit that price target. So I support initiatives like Shibarium, because that's the best thing we got right now, that's giving us the opportunity to be able to remove coins from the circulating supply. And remember, Shibarium is still young. You got to give it time for people to adapt to it. We're right now seeing developers build the highways and the railroads of Shibarium, so that way it could become more user friendly. We're starting to see more projects on board. Also, check out the projects in the project in the description section of this video. Vegas Inu token, connect the dots, man. Y'all might be seeing this really, really soon, and some other places. So that's pretty much all we got for this video. Just want y'all to keep that in mind. I appreciate all the new subscribers, all the old subscribers, everybody who pulled straight up and hit that like button. If you already haven't, make sure you do so, y'all. This bull run is going to be one for the books. Make sure you secure your position in line. with my community and become a part of the next Shiba Inu success stories by hitting that subscribe button and do your research on these projects. Remember, it's not financial advice, but join us, learn what we're learning, put some risk in. Only risk what you're willing to lose, though. Money that you will blow anyway. Not money that you're going to miss. Not money that's going to put you in a tough situation if it drops by 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, even 80%, because crypto is highly volatile. So keep that in mind as well. I got 3 courses available right now. Flash discount, mega discount for my community right now. And the price is about to increase. So I highly suggest, if you're interested, to take advantage of the discount. I got my technical analysis course teaching you how to interpret the data on the charts, the candlesticks, teaching you how to understand the indicators, how to use the tools, how to recognize the chart patterns, also how to put it all together to make better informed decisions, as well as things like knowing when to take profit, when to buy in, when to add to your position, etc. That course covers that. Email me, DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com, if you're interested in that. Also, I got my day trading options course, teaching you how to day trade, as well as teaching you about options trading. If you're interested in that, reach out to me via email, DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. You can make money in the stock market betting that different stocks price will go up or down. So let's say there's a lot of bad news going on and you can see that it's a bad day in the market. You could take what's called a short position or a put option and bet that the prices will fall and make money from the prices going down. Most people think they only make money by, investing in something and hoping that it goes up. Remember, there's a whole other side of people that short the market and bet that it's going to fall, and they make money from that. Also, they do it with Shiba Inu as well. So, you got to keep that in mind. But tap in for that course, DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. And then last but not least, I got my crypto one-on-one course, giving you a well-rounded understanding of cryptocurrency investing. If you're uncertain what you're doing, if you're just, dabbling around, if you've been throwing money, at places, getting lucky, and you haven't leveled up your knowledge, tap in with me. It will also teach you the DeFi side of things. If you're one of those people getting stuck on Coinbase, they won't let you purchase, they're turning off the buy button to do market manipulation. So when the price dips, you don't get the opportunity to buy. Tap in for this course. This course will teach you the way around that, how to operate on the DeFi side of things. So DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com for all courses. Also, you can get my book. The link is in the description section. It's on Amazon, or you can reach out to me directly and get it. Hey, also, I wanted to put this out there, y'all. I'm doing a mastermind group. This year, I will only be taking 20 students for 2024. I highly suggest you, if you're, a person that's more interested in working with me, on a more personal level, I highly suggest you secure one of these spots. It's going to be, a more in-depth experience of, me, sharing information with you, teaching different things to you, teaching different strategies. I'm going to be teaching you basically all the different arsenals, that I have, all the different tools in the arsenal that I have. So, tap in. This is a very, very limited opportunity. It will only be 20 students per year. Well, now I can't say per year, but for this first year. So if you're interested, email me, DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com, add mastermind group in the subject line. So, I can know that you're ready. This is for, individuals that are more in depth with the markets that, and you don't have to be, you could be a beginner, but for those that want to become more in depth, that want to, more of probably do this full time and, really want to take it serious into that next level. This is definitely an opportunity that, you want to take a part of. And for the first 20 people it's only 20 people for this first year, but for the first 10 people that take advantage of this offer, it will be 50% off. And the following year, the price will at least double. So you definitely want to tap in for this first year to get this experience and take your investing journey to the next level. DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. Appreciate everybody for pulling up. Make sure y'all smash the like button, and we